Before the adjustment, prepare a solid tripod first. Remove the quick release plate of the tripod head and install the handle of the Speed. Get your camera ready. The strap, if attached, must be removed to avoid affecting the balance. Install the quick release plate beneath the camera. Then test the balance point of the camera and mark it on the ruler of the quick release plate. Install the camera to the base plate, aligning the balance point of the ruler with the triangular mark on the base plate. Now the camera and the stabilizer are integrated. At this time, the stabilizer is in an imbalanced state. Open the flip monitor, if attached, of the camera first. Open the universal joint to lock the handle and adjust the balance point until the stabilizer is in a balanced state like a scale. Then move the universal joint about 2 centimeters towards the camera and lock the handle. Now the counterweight base side will fall slowly. The stabilizer is quite stable now, but still requires a few more adjustments. Regard the camera lens as the front side and adjust the 2 knobs on the base plate to correct the deviation of the camera. Next, put the camera horizontally to test its vertical falling time, which shall be about 2 seconds. This means that the physical balance point of the camera is about 2 centimeters below the universal joint, so that the operator can gently hold on that balance point for smooth mobile shooting from different angles. If necessary, gently and slightly adjust the knobs on the base plate to reach a complete balance state of the stabilizer. Handheld shooting rack installation. The connecting pin of the Speed and the handheld shooting rack functions of locating and anti-loosing. Install the lock with its aperture aligning with the locating pin. Gently screw to lock, then it will work. Locating ring manual. The locating ring is on the second and third section of the main pole, which helps to mark the balance position when switching the stabilizer to the monopod. After setting the stabilizer, put the locating ring beneath the pipe clamp. Then we can switch from the stabilizer to the monopod conveniently. Counterweight base adjustment. There are 4 installing holes on the counterweight base, the front and back for adjusting the ordinary shooting balance of the stabilizer, and the left and the right for auxiliary purpose. For example, the gravity center of the SLR camera is deviate to the right. If a microphone or any other accessories is installed, the machine will fall to right. Then the counterweight base should be installed to the left to correct the deviation. Most cameras have a flip monitor, which may cause the camera center deviate to the left when it opens. Then the counterweight should be installed to the right to correct. Rocker arm adjustment. The speed has the shooting function of a simple rocker arm, which requires an adjustment before shooting. First, adjust the base plate to -60 degrees, and then stretch the second and third section of the main pole and adjust the universal joint until the stabilizer in a scale-like state. Now, the imbalanced state of the camera can be corrected by adjusting the installation direction of the counterweight base. Still, remember the falling time when adjusting the stabilizer, which is about 1 to 2 seconds. If the camera still deviates to the left or right, adding counterweights to the 2 installing holes on the left and right can fix. After all these, if any deviation still exists, adjust the left and right knob on the base plate to correct.